Hi, I'm Angie from AngieSouthernKitchen.com, and today we're going to go over the differences between buttermilk and condensed milk. Well, to me, condensed milk is really evaporated milk, and then condensed milk, there's sweetened condensed milk, so we've got all three today. And I'm going to start with the sweetened condensed milk. It is a condensed milk, but it is sweetened. And it comes in a can. It does not have to be refrigerated until you open it, and it's mostly used in desserts. And it's very thick and kind of goopy and very sweet. This is evaporated milk, and it is a condensed milk product. And it's something that was used a long time ago, and people have kind of gotten away from it, but it does have good purposes. You can put it in a lot of different products that you're going to heat to really high heat, and it will not curdle. It will not separate. A lot of people use it in their macaroni and cheese, and it does give it a nice creamy texture. And then this is buttermilk. And this is a milk product as well, and it's thick and creamy. But if you put it into something that you're going to bake and cook at a high heat, it will curdle and break and separate. And they're basically all used in very different uses. You use this in, I would say, biscuits and breads and pancakes. And this can be used in stuff that you really heat. It doesn't taste good by itself to me, but this does. And this is great for desserts or fruit toppings. Again, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned the differences between buttermilk and condensed milk.